Hi and welcome to Arabic for Church, lesson 1.5. In this video, we're going to look at two new letters, the letters Ra and Zay. Let's start with the letter Ra. Here it is. You can see that it's like a curve, but it takes less space horizontally than it does vertically. The pronunciation of Ra is a rolled R. It could either be Ra or Ra. So whenever you see this symbol, you know that that sound has a pharyngeal quality to it. So the way it's written, you start from top to bottom. You start with a slanted line, and then you go into a sharp curve that doesn't spread long horizontally. And Ra is a sound you find in shajara, or tree in English, shajara. The letter Ra is the first letter we're learning that connects midway in the vertical space and not on the line. So this is the shape of Ra. It starts with a slanted line, and right here, where the slanted line turns into a curve, is where the connection happens. So you're coming from the right, you go up a little bit and then down, not taking too much space horizontally. And this is the other letter we're learning, the letter Zay. It has the exact same main shape as the letter Ra, but with a dot on top. The sound of Zay is very easy. It's like the English Z. You can find the sound Z in Arza, or cedar, one cedar tree, Arza. So that has the Ra and the Z actually. And it connects in the same way, touching the line in one point. Both these phrases are taken from a hymn called I Believe My Lord. I believe my Lord, here's my love. آمنت ربي وهاك حبي. Plant in my heart what's in your hands. ازرع بقلبي ما في يديك. So let's look at the Ra over here. And Ra here is coming in the initial position. Yet it has the isolated form. So because Ra, like Alif and Dal and Dhal, because it doesn't connect to the left, you can see that the end of it is not connected to any letters. And here let's look at this very interesting word. So we have 4 letters in this word. We have the Alif, Zay, Ra, and this letter which we haven't learned yet. So we started with an Alif, which doesn't connect to the left, followed it with a Zay, same situation, Ra, same situation. So in the end, we have a whole word that's made up of 4 letters, and none of them are touching each other. None of them are connected. So this is an example of how Arabic sometimes can come in print form, even though it's letters within the same word, but they're not connected. So in this video, we've covered 2 more letters, the letters Ra and Zay. So that's a total of 11 letters out of 28. So once you've completed all the work for letters Ra and Zay, you can move forward to lesson 1.6 and learn 2 new letters, Sin and Shin.